Getting inflow with Inflow Market. Subscribe and get reminders on YouTube. Find us on Patreon, Twitter, Google and Apple App Stores. The top gainer of the day is Greenhill & Company, Inc., an independent investment bank, provides financial and strategic advisory services to corporations, partnerships, institutional investors, and governments worldwide. The company offers advisory services related to mergers and acquisitions, divestitures, restructurings, financings, private capital raising, and other similar transactions. It also advises clients on strategic matters, including activist shareholder defense, special committee projects, licensing deals, and joint ventures, and valuation, negotiation tactics, industry dynamics, structuring alternatives, and timing and pricing of transactions, as well as financing alternatives. In addition, the company provides restructuring advisory services to debtors, creditors, governments, and other stakeholders, and acquirers of distressed companies and assets, and advice on restructuring alternatives, capital structures, and sales or recapitalizations. Further, it assists clients in identifying and capitalizing on incremental sources of value, and on court-assisted reorganizations by developing and seeking approval for plans of reorganization, as well as the implementation of such plans. Additionally, the company advises on private placements of debt and structured equity, refinancing of existing debt facilities, negotiating the modification and amendment of covenants, as well as acts as an independent advisor. It also offers financial advisory services to pension funds, endowments, and other institutional investors on transactions involving alternative assets, and advice to alternative asset fund sponsors for private capital raising, financing, restructuring, liquidity options, valuation, and related services. The company was founded in 1996 and is headquartered in New York. GHL does have options available. Here are upcoming expirations with the highest volume. There is currently no analyst price target forecast available for GHL stock. The latest short interest is 206,520, so 1.13% of the outstanding shares have been sold short. GHL has 18.32 million shares outstanding. The number of shares has decreased by -0.59% in 1 year. The company has $58.76 million in cash and $373.72 million in debt, giving a net cash position of $314.96 million or $17.19 per share. The last earnings date was Wednesday, May 3, 2023, after market close. Recent news for GHL. Update: 1 Japanese lender Mizuho to buy Greenhill in $550 MLN deal to expand U.S. footprint. Here are some of the recent online conversations, shown below. The top loser of the day is Rain Therapeutics Inc., a clinical stage precision oncology company. Engages in developing therapies that target oncogenic drivers in the United States. Its lead product candidate is milademetan, a small molecule oral inhibitor of mouse double MINT2, which is oncogenic in various cancers. The company is also developing milademetan, which is in phase 3 clinical trial for liposarcoma, phase 2 clinical trial for solid tumors, and phase 2 clinical trial for intimal sarcoma, as well as RAD52, which is in preclinical trials for tumors, including breast, ovarian, pancreatic, prostate, and other cancers. Rain Therapeutics Inc. was incorporated in 2017 and is headquartered in Newark, California. Rain does have options available. Here are upcoming expirations with the highest volume. According to 8 stock analysts, the average 12-month stock price forecast for Rain stock is $18.25. which predicts an increase of 1,383.74%. The lowest target is 11 and the highest is 29. On average, analysts rate Rain stock as a strong buy. The latest short interest is 1.14 million, so 3.13% of the outstanding shares have been sold short. Rain has 36.36 million shares outstanding. The number of shares has increased by 37.07% in 1 year. The company has $109.77 million in cash and $241,000 in debt, giving a net cash position of $109.53 million or $3.01 per share. The last earnings date was Thursday, May 11, 2023, after market close. Recent news for Rain. Rain Oncology announces top-line results from Phase 3 MANTRA trial of milademetan for the treatment of dedifferentiated liposarcoma. Here are some of the recent online conversations, shown below. Comment below on your favorite stocks, bulls and bears. Get inflow with Inflow Market.